So let us now look at this new word called locus. What do we mean by a locus? And what are the steps in which are involved in finding the equation to a locus. So let's see what a locus means first of all. So what happens is in mathematics, in coordinate geometry, a lot of times you are given a condition. So what do you condition? You already know, like take the literal meaning of what a condition is. Condition or a restriction. Like I might have in my coordinate system. So this is my coordinate system, right? In this coordinate system, I might have a point, and I will say that this point is under some condition, right? This point has some condition or some constraint to be obeyed. Now every point in the space which obeys that condition, the collection of those points are called locus. So let me write the definition of locus. So locus is a collection of points which obey a common condition. So I don't know what that condition is, absolutely, I don't know. But what I know is this point, 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 all these points obey that condition, whatever that condition is, right? So this particular thing is called the locus. So the moment I draw this, that means not just these points that you see here, every point on this pink line or on this pink curve, every point on this pink curve obeys that condition. Only then that point will be a part of the locus, right? Now let's see how to actually find the equation to a locus. I hope you have got a sense of understanding of what a locus is, right? So once I discuss an example, it will be even more clear about what it is. So first of all, the steps are, let me write the steps to find the equation of a locus. So the step number 1 is let h comma k be a point on the locus. So from the beginning you don't know how your locus looks like, but for example this pink line is your locus, right? You don't know how it looks like, but let me just take one general point on this and let h comma k be that point, right? So let h comma p be a point on the locus that I need the equation to. The second step is write the condition. So whatever the condition in the question is, so they'll be given write the equation to the locus of write the equation to the locus which obeys this condition. That's how the question will be, the condition, whatever it will be. So write that condition that's given in the question in mathematical form in terms of h comma k, and the third step is change h comma k to x comma y. These are the only 3 steps to find the equation to a locus. Let us look at a small example. So let my question be, write the locus to a set of points which are at a distance a from x0 y0, right? A very simple question. Let's look at how we can do this. So let me just draw the diagram for the corresponding question. So the question is something like this. I have a point x0 y0, right? This is my point x0 y0. So how do I write the equation? So let h comma k be a point on the locus. I need the equation to a locus. Let h comma p be a point. So this is your h comma k, right? The thing is, this h comma k is at a distance a units, right? As given in the question, it is at a distance a units. So every point, every h comma k which obeys this condition will be a part of the locus, right? So I've done the first step. I've written I've let h comma k be a point on the locus. Now what is my condition? The condition here is at a distance a from x0 y0. So this is my condition, right? So from the statement you should be able to figure out what the condition is. This is your given condition. You have to write this mathematically. So how can I write this mathematically? The distance between 2 points, what is the formula? H minus x naught square plus k minus y naught square under root. This should be equal to a, right? This distance should be equal to a. So this condition that's written in English, I've converted that in mathematics, right? And that condition should be in terms of h comma k. So this condition has h comma k, right? So my final step is I'll change h comma k to x comma y. So under root x minus x naught square plus y minus y naught square, I've changed h comma k to x comma y. This should be equal to a. So my final answer, in fact, if I square on both sides, it is x minus x naught square plus y minus y naught square is equals to a square. Later you will see that this is the equation of a circle. Later you will see that this answer that you got is the equation to a circle. So basically, if I have a circle around this x naught y naught, all these points on the circle are at a distance of a from your x naught y naught. So this equation that you see is actually the equation of this particular circle, right? Likewise, every locus, will give rise to some sort of a shape. So this particular condition gave rise to this circular shape. Likewise, every condition will give rise to its own shape. So what you have to simply do, let h comma k be a point of the locus, then write. You should know, this is the most crucial step. You should know how to write the condition in the mathematical form. That is where 80% of your effort will go, right? 80% of your mathematics will be in this step. And the final step is just, change your h comma k. In fact, not even 80%, 95% of your effort of your problem is just this step. And then finally changing h comma k to x comma y. This is what I meant by a locus, a small problem to understand what a locus was, and these are the steps to find the equation to a locus. Let's move on to the next subtopic.